Okay, what I would like us to do is be able to click either this text or the image or both, and then go and see a different web page where we show the full image, the uncompressed version. And to do this, we use this thing called a detail view. And so it's right in the name there. It's a detail view. We need to add a new view. So let's go into our feed, go into views, and let's add a new detail view. And this comes from generic detail view. And if you aren't sure where I got detail view from, or you aren't sure where to import this from, because you don't have to remember all the imports. It just comes with, writing Django and Python over time, you start to remember them. But if you don't know where it comes from, you can always go to ccbv.co.uk, and that will tell you exactly where it's coming from. In fact, I'll show you where it's coming from. We have a detail view. Where are you? Generic detail view. And it says right up here, from django.views.generic import detail view. And we can do all sorts of stuff in here. And so it has a content type, content object name, extra context if we wanted to add extra context, HTTP methods, a model, we need to set that model, primary key URL keyword, yada, 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 all sorts of stuff. We're not going to work with a lot of this. We're just going to work with some of this. So we need to create a new detail view. So let's do class, and let's call it post detail view. And this is going to inherit from Django's detail view. Then we give it a template name, and that template name simply is going to be detail.html. And that model is going to be post. And that post is coming from up here, which comes from our model here. And really all we're saying at this point is saying, we have this model, we have this detail view. If you go to a particular URL, just auto-magically work for us. Just fetch that particular image for